After creating your free ChatGPT account, you will be directed to a screen that looks like this. Down here, you will start to type a message to ChatGPT, and you want to create your persona as specific as possible. Let's say that I want to create a first grade lesson using the book Hidden Figures. I want my lesson to be 20 minutes long, first grade 20-minute lesson. And I also want to have discussion questions to go along with the book as I'm reading. And I want to make sure that this is connected to New York State ELA standards for first grade. And really trying to be as specific as possible with your persona. Everything that you put in there, you want that to be beneficial. And you also don't want to include too many words to where you'll get a certain amount of limits that are allowed with the free portion of this app. So first grade 20-minute lesson using the book Hidden Figures, include discussion questions while reading, connect to ELA and New York State standards. I also want to include a hook. All right, let's see what it produces. So that's great. It starts with an objective. It gives you the materials needed. It connects with your ELA standards. Here's the hook and an introduction. I'm not loving this hook, so I'm going to modify this after reading, seeing if there's anything else that I want to redo. There's questions for during reading, vocabulary, wrap up and reflection, extension. I definitely would like to expand on the questions being asked. And ChatGPT will give me the same information that it gave me up above and then just modify it based on that new prompt. So here's the expanded version. There's the objective, materials, again connecting with the standards. Here's a hook. An introduction. And I'm going to ask for a simpler hook, maybe a mystery box sort of hook. Trying to get the students to make some guesses about what we're going to read. Here's more discussion questions. And I like that it definitely gave us more specific questions this time around. Okay, so let's try one more time with a different hook. And again, it's going to add the same information that we had before. And here it added the materials and a mystery box hook. And again, it's doing the same read aloud questions that we had for the last time, and a wrap up and extension. And let's say that you like this activity and you want to actually connect it to New York State science standards. For first grade. And again, it will take all that information and just add more details to the lesson plan itself. And let's say you like all of this and you want to connect it to a technology center, you can do that. So you can keep going until you run out of times that you can modify it with the free version. Another great feature here is that you can save this. You can create a link that you'll be able to save that lesson plan. So that lesson plan is now saved and you could use it at a later date. Thanks so much for watching. Let's take a look at the same sort of activity for Mystery School.